Good morning, everybody. Back at it again with another stream, another day, another dollar to be made. What up, Thomas? Welcome to the stream. What up, Danilo? Yo, what's up, doggy? How's your night, bro? You sound tired. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. Oh, gold's still trading inside that channel. Oh, bro, you had me sketched out. I thought it was my audio or something. You're trading London and New York, right? I haven't traded London in such a long time. Yeah, just I just opened my chart, so I'm just trying to catch up with what happened in London session and Asian session. Um, Let me hide all this for now. Hopefully, looking at any indicators for now. Now seems like it's taking a shit. YouTube. Thank you, Brody. I like having YouTube on my TV for the view and for the so I can see what comments and all that crap. All right, boom. Oh. Gold seems like it's 2004. We're trading at 2004. Okay, okay. Hopefully we can stay above 2000s. I kind of want gold to go up. Um, but that's that what? Yeah, it's delayed 60 seconds. I have it like that because of the latency. If it were real time, it'd be a little laggy. 60 seconds is a lot. Let me see. I'll see next stream if I can change it to like 30 seconds. I don't think so. I think I tried. I think when dollar first started streaming, it was like 60 seconds. It was exaggerated too. Let me see something. I'm gonna look into it right now. Actually, let me see if I can. Um. Oh, yeah. I didn't think of that at all. Stream status excellent. No, I can't change it now. Oh, whatever. They should just join the Discord. I think that's why I have it like that. I don't know, but I'll just leave it like that, bro. If they want to see it, Updated, they can join the Discord. Oh look, I don't have it on. Oh yeah, I do 60. But I can't change it to 30. Whatever. They can join the Discord and they'll get the Zoom and then they'll get the live trade the second I release it. What up, Ruben? What up, Gay? Que lo que, gay? Okay, okay. Let's turn our in. Let's see the 4 hour real quick. Wait, so what did you trade yesterday, Danilo? Oh, you didn't? But you trade London because you trade GJ, right? GJ and US 30? Let's check out the 4 hour Nasdaq real quick. Nasdaq, I like buys above 13,440. Um, Seems like a good area. We have a lot of bullish volume at the moment. Right now, it seems like we have a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see if it's gonna keep engulfing. Um, if let's see, gold's looking like it's nice little trend line here. Let's see. Oh man, yeah, trend line was pretty clean. I think I had it placed yesterday, but I took it off. Just I don't know why I took it off. I don't think it was valid last night when I was looking at it. But look at the reaction we have at this level at two in between 2000 and 2010. Weren't we just at 2004? I think we were just at 2004. Yeah, we were. What's going on? Is there news today that we just shot up 60 pips? 60 pips. We have retail sales that just released. Oh, we got some new people here in the stream today. What up, Juan and Abi? I guess retail sales is what the retail sales news release is what I guess made it jump 60 pips. What's up, Juan? Nice to virtually meet you. I don't know what Juan this is. Maybe I do already know you. Let's go back to the C pips. All right, 2012. Let's see if gold's gonna reject this area at 2015. Let's wait 30 more pips. I want to see how it reacts around 2015 level. If we can get a nice rejection on this trend line that seems to be pretty valid, we have multiple touches. First touch being up here, we failed to break through it over here. Then we broke through it over here twice. We have a tap here, and we have multiple touches here as well. So guys, remember if you're unsure if your trend line is valid, if it has multiple touches, it's I would say it's pretty valid, and the more touches it has, the more valid it is. You just want to be careful too because as you can see, price has been already trading, breaking through it, and we seem to be trading right underneath it. So it could be a good indication that price wants to break out, and just keep flying. But let's see. With these types of trades like this, I like having a short stop loss, very small stop loss, 10 to 20 pip stop loss. let's see where I would put my stop loss. If I like this area too, 2015 as well, because it's like an area of resistance that I have here set. So if we can reject the resistance of the trend line and resistance levels over here, um, it's two confluences there. Also, I don't want price to get into this range. If it does start to get into this range, we could see it reach 2018, which is like the top of this range as well. So this is why I would like to have a short stop loss, because if it hits my stop loss, chances are it's gonna just hit the top of the range. And take profit one could be right around here. 1, 2, 3 trade. If we break out of that area at 2010, we could retrace this candle. And I don't know how I feel about reaching 2000. So I do think we have a good chance that our 1, 2, 3 would hit, but forward candle closes in 30 minutes, I believe, or 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let's be a little patient with the 15-minute with these 15 minutes. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We are in the trading near the middle of this level of consolidation that we have. So let's be a little cautious. Nasdaq. Let's see what we get a candle closure on Nasdaq as well. Let's turn our indicators back on. Um, all right, let's see what we see on Nasdaq. I'm gonna leave this trend line here. I kind of like this trend line that I just saw. I just set it up. Hey, let me see something. All right, we're gonna leave that here. We're gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close on both Nasdaq and gold. Gold seems to be trading. Telling you, I really like this trend line on gold. Nasdaq seems pretty clean as well. Let's see if we can. I just don't know. Put it. I think I like it there. What's up? How's everybody morning? I hope everybody's having a great morning. Let me put it here. We already talked on Instagram. Oh, so okay, so it's the one that I know. I just wasn't sure. And this was probably the most ass water that I ever had in my life. Blueberry lemonade hint. Water infused with lemon essences. So I've noticed that, bro. I've noticed I've been getting up from the stream a couple times to get water, so I had a backup this time. I had this one that I just finished, and now I have another one over here. I think I'm gonna need like 5 waters though, because after this one I run out. I have to refill. All right, stay hydrated. Let's check out the lower time frames. I don't think I've looked at the lower time frames. Always, guys, don't just focus on the higher time frames, even if you're a higher time frame trader. Lower time frames can screw you over if you don't look at it, and it's happened to me multiple times where I get an entry based off the higher time frame. Trade doesn't play out to like another 30 minutes, couple hours, and just because the shorter time frames was against me. So those are things that always just look at every time frame. Start from the daily. Make sure your levels are set. Look for any new confluences. Is anybody in any trade at the moment? Are you guys waiting? What are you guys on? I just don't want to. Yeah, I don't think I want to trade gold in this area. Looks a little fishy. Look at the reactions we have here. All of it. Yeah, there was already news at 8:30. Retail sales. It, it made gold go from 2004 to 2010. Let's check out the DXY. Um, New York market open. Okay, let's go back to gold. I always like to well, me, since I trade gold and Nasdaq, I always like to look at the dollar. Look, damn, this entry over here would have been nice. Um, Up top, we'd be in profit already, 40 pips. This is a nice TP area. Might have missed the entry, but it's okay, guys. That tends to happen when you wait for candle closures. It's gonna happen more often than not. So you just gotta be able to be okay with that and handle your emotions and not get in the trade late. Like I could have gotten in right when I thought it would have been a great trade, and I'd be in drawdown already, like 12, 20 pips already. So learn to be okay with missing trades. We just hopped on. It's not the only trade that's gonna play out. We can still catch the retest off of this. So let's see. Maybe we can get a better entry instead of catching it here. We can catch it like right around here, 2016. 10 pips better than what I first originally wanted at 2015. Nasdaq, we can still possibly catch Nasdaq. We've got 6 minutes left for the 4-hour candle to close. Um, let's see where our stop losses would be if we were to get into Nasdaq right around here. Uh, mm, 3389. Put like 20-point stop loss, 15 point. Something like that. But I like this better. All right, and another reason why I'm waiting for the 4 hour candle closure is just because I want to see a nice bottom wick create and then execute off the flip of the candle, just how we did it yesterday, and it played out twice on gold and Nasdaq. And so, same thing we did yesterday is the same thing I'll be doing today. What up, Johnny? Dude, you have a catchy ass last name, bro. Ventura. Gold not looking for buys at all at this area. No way I'm buying at this area. Yeah, everyone calls me Ace Ventura. Ace Ventura, where's that from? Ace Ventura. Isn't that like a movie? Oh, Jim Carrey. DJ buys from Daniel. Sheesh. Hopefully he wins his trade. What you see, I don't trade GJ, bro, at all. I don't care how good a GJ is. I'm not gonna trade it. If you want to look at it, bro, I'll look at it for you. But I'll look at it real quick just because I got 3 minutes on the candle closure in the 4 hour. GJ buys. Seems pretty good. Hopefully he wins his trade. That's the GJ chart, yeah. What's his entry? 250. XAU. Mm-mm. 1 minute 40 seconds. Let's see. Let's see how we act on this. All right, 40 seconds. Gold just trading in that little range. Price seems a little indecisive on gold. I feel like we'll probably get an entry on Nas. Now we also want to be careful with Nas because it's a good possibility that we could break out of this trend line. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, it just closed. 4 hour candle just opened. We're seeing bearish movement from gold at the moment. Let's open Nasdaq. Oh, there it is. At the bottom what get created. It's at the bottom what I was waiting for. I like. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see gold coming down to below 2000. I'll tell you that. For like high, like daily and weekly time frames, I'm like I said, I've been bullish on gold. Still bullish on gold. We're still trading above 2000 level. Um, if we can trade above 2000 for gold, we'll be good. We also had 3 bearish days on gold. If you guys look here, we just had bearish days on gold. Yesterday was its first bullish day, so let's see if this will be the area of retracement for gold to break out of that area and just continue to go up. Nasdaq, I'm kind of glad I'm not in this trade yet. We're just there. Um, we created a little tiny wick, but let's see. If what I'm seeing with gold, what I know I said earlier that I wouldn't want to buy gold anytime soon. But where I would like to buy gold, I would like to see it break out of that trend line and retrace, and then get in on the longs. Or if we, yeah, around 2015 would be like an entry for gold longs, but not after the breakout, not before the breakout of the trend line. Um, Hopefully we don't get trapped in this area as well. Seems to be a lot. I'm not a smart money trader, but seems to be a lot of liquidity around this area. So maybe we can, if we can get our buys around 2005 area, probably even here's a good entry. But let's just be patient, guys. This seems like a good area of demand. Nasdaq, we're just seem a little bit indecisive at the moment. All right, Nasdaq is starting to pick up momentum. Let me see something. Let me see something real quick. I don't really like. New York market opens in 25 minutes. Moments like these, guys, don't rush it. Like I said, whether you're waiting for candle closures or not, whether you're waiting for something, whether it's New York market open, candle closures, price to reach a certain area where you're willing to enter, just be patient and wait it out. There's no reason to force an entry. Um, I'm willing to take a trade today if it seems clean, if I have my confluences in my favor, and if price is right. Especially after coming off a win yesterday, two mega wins. So we want to preserve our profits and preserve our capital, right? Let's protect our profits and try to increase them, not decrease them, and want to make sure that we'll have an account to trade on tomorrow. So good thing we didn't get in the Nasdaq buys. I believe our stop loss would have already been hitting, but I also another reason why I haven't been wanting to get in this Nasdaq trade is because I'm starting to see that my analysis on the Nas buys were a little inaccurate. We could be selling off soon, so let's be patient and let's wait. We're not just gonna jump into sales just because we're starting to sell off. We're gonna wait for a couple more indications that are in our favor to sells. This is why you never want to have a bias in the market as well, because what if the markets are giving you clear indications that we want to sell off, but you're just too busy looking for buys, and you could possibly miss an opportunity, and that is why I never have a bias. Always open for buys and sells. Also, be clear where you're willing to sell, where you're willing to buy. Let's go back here to the 1 hour real quick. I'm in break even in my challenge since first week I was down -4%, so I only want to take really good A plus trades. Patience, facts. Patience with a Y. Hey, but if you came down from a -4% account, now you know you can bring it up 4% in profit, and then you can make it. You can make another 4%. By the time you know it, you pass the challenge. I like gold, 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 gold. I like how gold's playing out. I think Nasdaq is gonna sell off. I also want to see. Look, I low key want to wait for 3 minutes for this 15-minute candle closure on Nasdaq just to see if we can get a nice candlestick pattern going on there. Three gravestone soldiers, which would be three bearish candles back to back. We'll then wait for the retracement, and then we could possibly take it if we can retrace around this level, and then we start to see a breakout of that retracement along with the trend line. Then we could possibly execute on these Nasdaq sells and anticipate the breakout of this trend line. Well, we'll see it. We'll see it play out as it starts to break out of that area of retracement. On gold, on the other hand, let's just be a little bit more patient. It might be worth to wait for those. How big is this candle? 2008, about 30 pips. 2012. We could see a 50 pip move on gold potentially. Um, I like how we rejected the 2010 area. So let's see where we get a candle closure on gold. We just rejected about 30 pips, 40 pips almost on gold. 2010 area was rejected, and that is a key area for gold as well. Well, it seems like price is wanting to trade above it. I think it'll break out of this trend line. I think so. There's a good possibility that it will. Nasdaq doesn't want to close bearish apparently. Did we just see a 15-minute candle open right now? Yeah. There's not a lot, there's not a lot of volume on New York. I mean, Nasdaq at the moment. We'll probably see volume start to kick in when New York market opens in 14 minutes. So it's another. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm pointing it out a lot, but not sorry. This is why I can't stress it enough. Just because we rejected, it's not worth getting in. Just because it flew 30 pips, 20 pips. Just how it flew 30 pips, it can come back down 30 pips. And stop loss would have already been hit, or look at the massive drawdown we'd be seeing at the moment from where price was 2012, 2007. 50 pips almost. We did see a 50 pip move on gold, not to the upside though. Where's this volume coming from? I guess pre New York. Let's see if we'll trade above 2010 or not. And Nasdaq, we're just there, sitting. Just I see that. I see that. Let's see. Hopefully, we're not trading based off of luck and anticipating. Luck doesn't get as much anywhere on trading. I'll tell you that much, guys. So sometimes even if you think it's gonna shoot up, it's better to have your confluences. If it doesn't shoot up in your favor, you just save yourself drawdown. Dude, I remember so many times with news and all that, anticipating news. How many accounts I've blown just doing that? Guys, what do you guys think though? If it were to choose a direction, what do you guys think it's gonna go up or down? I think it's gonna go down if it opens New York open. I think it's just gonna go 250 pips. Yeah. To the downside. All right. Let's see. Bro, solo curiosidad. Bro, solo curiosidad, ¿por qué ya no pasas con dólar y Snipe? Sigo viendo que todos son buenos traders y tú has vuelto muy consistente en Nueva York. No, bro, solo enfocado en mi comunidad, bro. Um, just better, I don't like people depending off me, and I don't like depending off people, so better to just be on my own lane. But yeah, they're great traders, great people. All right. 9 more minutes to open. Could that be the little retracement that we're seeing for it to just melt? Let's see. Let's see how I think it's gonna break out of it. Let's see if it holds it. Let's see if it respects that trend line or if it just disrespects it. It's just price is stuck. Cool. You are in buys? No, sir. Not on anything yet. Currently waiting. I'm just a candle waiting for closure. Let's see. There we go. Price is breaking out of it. Let's see if we'll see what happened down below over here. Mm, let's see how valid this trend line is right now. This for gold. Luis, did you get in the GJ buys? Lewis, I think I don't know if Lewis was asking. Lewis was asking earlier what I thought about. Huh? No, no, I'm waiting. Shit. He is at entry. Damn, he was in profit. Like 5 pips, no more, like 10 pips. Yeah. I've bought bonds before. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty safe. I like them. I bought bonds like 3 times. In high school, I used to buy bonds. It was pretty good because in high school, like it was really hard for me to save money. But I had this financial advisor who would like advise my coach, and my coach knew I was like into investing and all that. So he was like, "Oh, I think you would like this," and it played out pretty good a couple times. Um, I never took a loss with bonds, never. I think that's why I like them because I had a good experience with them. But they're pretty safe. They're not. They're slow. I mean, nothing like trading. You're not gonna like invest $1,000 and make possibly five. 2.5 or $10,000. How people can do it, but it's a safe little investment. Your money's protected, and it's there. And then like months later, a year later, you're like, oh shit, I have this plus interest. Fire. And I think government-backed bonds are like the safest. Something I'm seeing with gold, if I were to get in gold buys, I just it's such a big stop loss, bro. I've been getting used to trading gold with like 10 pip stop loss, 15 pip stop loss. I think yesterday, damn, does anybody remember? Anybody who was here, does anybody remember if I had like a 15 or 20 pip stop loss yesterday? But I think 20 was the biggest stop loss I've had in the past week or two. I think it was a 15 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. I think that's what it was. That was my 1-to-1. Or I think 20 pip stop loss and 25 pip take profit. I don't know. Because I know I hit 26 pips and then I closed with like 25. Well, I closed at break even, but TP1 was 25, yeah. 40 seconds left, guys, till New York market opens. Ding, 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 ding. All right, market opens. All right, we're starting to see the volume kick in. All right, all right, all right. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna get in on Nas. Let me look at the spreads real quick. Fuck. Alright, guys, I'm in. I got in a late entry on Nasdaq. My entry's 13393 on Nasdaq. 13393.3. Um, 13. This is my entry, guys. What the fuck? This is not my entry. Oh, there we go. This is why. 13393.3. Let's put. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. 13393 is my entry, guys. TP1 on Nasdaq will be right around here, and TP2 will be at 13485. Anybody? Huh? Nah. We just shot up. My entry is 13393 on Nas. We're about to hit TP1. You guys, if you guys over leveraging, you guys can start securing some partials now if you want. I'm holding to TP1. 13.4, yeah. Damn, bro. I put in the wrong lot size on Nas. I'm trading them. This is on my Forex funds account for somebody. I already know they're gonna hit me up, bro. Um, I put 5 lots on this account. It's my Forex funds, and it sucks because 5 lots doesn't get you shit with my Forex funds. With my Forex funds, you have to put like on 100K. If you're trying to risk like $800, you gotta put like 40 lots. Yeah. I'm here. Look, 5 lots on this trade, and it moves like shit. Like it doesn't give you this. It doesn't give you what 5 lots actually gives you. You got in US 30. Lewis, it's the markets for you. There's a good chance. I mean, I really like this trend line, bro, and the way we rejected with this trend line. Let's check out US 30 real quick. Dow. I like looking at Dow. You know what also helps Danilo? That has helped me. Go to this website, Finviz, and you can look at all the indices as well. See how they're performing. Dow's Dow isn't doing. Yeah, we could be bullish on that on US 30 for the day. Well, so far, and you can also look at the other stocks how they're doing. The fuck, they're all like gray. Never seen that. They're all like gray. Um, let's see how the dollar's performing. Dollar seems to be doing not so good today. Lewis, did you get in this trade? I don't know how I got the 13393.3 entry. I think I got lucky with that. Bloomberg, it says 12350. Don't tell me that. 12350. Impossible. Impossible. Bro, 12350. 13350, I can believe, and even that is a little. Now I wasn't sure it was Danilo or The Rock. Bro, 12350 Danilo. You know, you know how Nasdaq 123 2-day view. What the fuck? Probably a typo. Is it Bloomberg.com? 12350. Yeah. Look, I think it's a typo on Bloomberg, bro. Guys, if you blow your accounts on Nasdaq, just fucking DM Bloomberg and be like, "Yo, give me my suing." Guys, if yeah, it's 13422 all over the fucking internet, all over the world, bro. It's a typo. They probably I don't know how that happens on their end. Guys, you can start securing your profits if you guys want here. Put your stops to break even as well. Um, you don't have to secure your partials, but I'm putting my stops to break even on this trade. It's either a free trade or not. We were so close to hitting TP1. At what time? How, how did I miss that? I thought it is. Oh, but it's yellow folder. They'll just keep printing or fucking ask China for buyback. I think we don't even, bro. We don't even have money to ask our fucking neighbor countries for our own money because we were too busy fucking asking our poor neighbor countries to lend us money when we were fucking when we shouldn't have been printing. I don't know. This fucking country's in shit, bro. We've given more money to Ukraine than what the United Nations have given, than what Europe has given to them. I think we've given Ukraine like, let's say, it's the numbers aren't right, but it's something like it's as I exaggerated. We've given Ukraine about 130 billion dollars, and then Europe. I'm talking about Europe, like the whole fucking continent. Europe has given Ukraine about $30 billion. So we've given, like, how is it possible the U.S., one country, has given more money than a whole continent? Everybody in the United Nations. Fucking incredible. No, bro, it was so fast. I know, bro. When I saw my MT4 at 1393, I pressed buy so fast. That's why I couldn't believe it. 13393.3 was my entry. Yeah, whatever I have here. 133.93. 13393.3. 13393 point. Oh, this is a little inaccurate. There we go. Boom. I couldn't even call it from my Discord. It's another day that the Discord doesn't see a trade, but I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry not to care about people complaining that I didn't call a trade on Discord. Just people pulling up here. You can get the trade live. Damn, yo, is that a TP smash or what? Are we gonna have to review this? Nope, it was not a TP smashed. Dude, this is crazy. Oh, TP smash. TP smash on the fucking secure profits. I'm gonna be securing profits. I'll leave a little runner. Uh, to be honest with you, I'm just gonna secure the whole thing just because on this, the lot size that I put was not even enough for me to care about a runner, bro. But anybody who's still in this trade and is wondering where if we, okay, we just broke out of that previous high. You could put your TP2 right around. Just put your TP2 right here, bro. Move your stop loss. Put your stop loss at TP1. So if price does decide to reverse, you at least secure profits in profit at your TP1, which is a good amount of profits that you'll be securing. TP2 is on the way. Let me put it here. TP1 smash. Bruh, another good trade. Facts. Did you get in it, K? You guys low key could have gotten a better entry than I did, because I was low key saying I'm gonna get in, and then I had to go on my phone, pick it up, open the app. So if you guys were ready, you guys could have possibly gotten a better entry than I did, or the same entry. Yeah, you did fire, brother. Good shit, dog. Yo, we're three trades in so far this week. We're three out of three. We started a great week on a great note. Gold is still dancing around that area. All right, guys. This 15-minute candle just opened up on Nasdaq with no bottom wick. You could probably you could. There's a good possibility that it'll flip, create that bottom wick. Um, but it could also not create the bottom wick. Just be careful. If for anybody who's still in the trade and wants to get more profits out of this, you can also trail your stop loss a little bit more. Instead of putting your stop loss at TP1, you could possibly put it like right around here. Still flying backs. Dude, I'm so bummed out, bro. Telling you is that these sometimes I get confused like whose account I'm trading because I'm trading like I have two accounts on my own accounts that are like live, but then I have 20 other accounts that I'm trading for people. It's a little less now because I've passed a couple of them. But sometimes I'm just opening an account and then I just like in this moment I didn't have time to look at what account I'm trading, who it is, what broker. So when I put 5 lots on that, I look at that I was trading my account, and then I put 5 lots, and then I see like only $50 in profit. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, my Forex funds. I'm like, ah. How many pips was it? Was this trade? TP1 was Benito. You're the pip master on this shit, bro. Is it? Am I looking right? 445 pips from here to here. 44. 44 points. Yeah. Fuck. That's insane. 33. So far we're in profit 70 points. So points, you just add a zero and it's pips. God damn. TP2 is almost 1,000 pips. Holy fuck. I'm just a little. Yesterday's TP1 was 250 pips. TP2 was 500 pips. Today's TP1 was pretty much yesterday's TP2. Banger. Banger. All right, guys. I think this trade has a good chance of hitting that TP1. So be careful for anybody who's in, guys. If you guys want to secure more profits, don't be greedy. Right now is a good area to take profit instead of it coming here. But if you want to hold it too, Nas, we're coming back to TP1. So we just rejected about. We were just at 13,470, and now we're at we just rejected 250 pips. It seems there's a good possibility that we could retrace and touch this trend line again, guys. Or we could just start to create a range around here and then test this trend line again. If you guys have your stop, if you guys are still in this trade and are gonna leave this trade running with stops to break even, just be careful, guys. I don't think break even will hit, but there's a good chance the markets it could hit. Damn. Gone so far. Alright, just apologize to Discord for not calling the trade. But hey man, I Paul, there's not Nas 100 on FX Live Capital. Um, FX Live Cap. Try it's not as Nas 100 or N or try US 100. I put a trade with some things, bro. I should have more than $120. Let me see something. What lot size, bro? What lot size? Yeah, it's that one. Woo! Another TP day. Did you ever end up getting in US 30, Danilo? Damn. What was your entry on US 30? I'm surprised I had good the fuck. I'm surprised I had a good entry when I got in, bro. I was expecting my entry to be like at 13,420 around there, or 10. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get more water. Pa, pa, la cosa suena da, cuiruta da. Is anybody still in the trade? I hope that people. But I think I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. Another dub on the stream. Another fucking day, another dub, another dollar to be made. I hope you guys all have a great day today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me. Thanks, Paul. 1 to 2 profit per day is perfect for me. Won't be looking for another trade. Done for the day. Facts, brother. Facts. To anybody who has issues with those things, bro, just secure your profits. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. One trade a day is all you really need. You don't need 3, 5 trades. Right now, we risked, I think, less than, I don't even know how much our stop loss was. Our stop loss was right. I still remember where I put my stop loss. Stop loss was like right around here. It was, not even 100 pips, not even 10 points on NAS, and we secured an insane amount of profits. So that's how we do it. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live stream. Thank you guys for everybody who pulled up. Thank you guys for all the likes. See you guys. Dale, Danilo. Peace out, gang. Peace out, everybody. Come here and finish.